Please make me one. Okay.
I'm looking for another thing, but
It's
we
gone.
can't watch anything. So let's open from this fruit, and you're going to get to find something inside. This the something is very important for lady in our countryside.
Oh, look at the
You see it?
pretty. Oh,
Just wait, take a photo.
it's amazing.
With the leaves of it. Can take photo now.
Great.
Wow.
This is the nutmeg.
Oh my God, it's so pretty like this. That's a nutmeg?
Yes. What are you using it for?
Baking,
Oh, baking.
cake, all of that, cookie, everything.
Okay. The ladies
Oh
of
my
Zanzibar.
God, it is pretty.
The ladies of Zanzibar, they're using it for stimulation themselves instead of Viagra for lady.
Oh,
When they break the shell inside, they get the nut, they grind it and boil in porridge, 2-3 of it, and she have a drink. For a few minutes, after she have a drink, the lady's eyes, she looking like getting drugs. She can go to dance or to enjoy something.
Oh my
without
God.
shy. They're using it for aphrodisiac. Yeah, the nutmeg. But some they using it for cooking. The nut inside.
Can you get me the whole fruit with the way to pretty?
Okay.
It is so pretty.
Unayo ambayo haja ya kumpa?
Careful.
Tenda kumpa.
Okay.
You see the nut inside, which they're using it for cooking,
You're eating
drinks,
this?
baking, potato in soup,
Yeah.
in curry. The nut inside. This is the nutmeg.
So the ladies cook the whole
The
thing.
nut inside.
The
The white.
When it's dry, the white inside.
this oh.
They grind it and
So
use
it's like
it
a
in
drug.
porridge. Yeah, in porridge.
Wow.
It we call it kungumanga in
Kungumanga.
Swahili.
Kungumanga.
When you say kungumanga for ladies group in Zanzibar, they know what you
you are-
talk and what things you want. Yeah.
I want the pretty one.
Okay. He
It's so
will
pretty.
give you later.
Nutmeg.
Yeah,
Wow.
nutmeg. Yeah.
You are going to make for them bracelet?
Okay. A nutmeg. Kungumanga.
Congo manga. Wow, orange? Citrus?
No? Come this side to see the
Wait, hold on. Wait. Don't say.
Okay.
Don't say.
Okay.
Me, I think it's citrus.
Have a look at the small fruit.
Wait, what is? Oh,
Can you see the small fruit here?
That is it?
That one. That is the small fruit. This one. You see the small one?
Yeah.
it's just like
Okay.
lemon, lime.
Yeah, I'll get in the same family.
And
Lime.
okay, yeah.
I will show even the lemon.
This is lime.
This is the lime. It's quite small.
Wow.
We using it in cooking.
Oh yeah.
The same to star fruits. For hangover when we get it too much gongo. We making gongo.
You make a gongo.
Yeah.
You make gongo from what?
From cassava and
Banana.
from papaya. It's 100% alcohol.
Fermented.
We make ours
From banana?
Banana.
but Uganda Walaj.
Uganda walaj.
Yeah, they make it from banana.
How percentage?
It's bad.
It's high.
It's very
It's
bad.
high.
Some people they die. We
Yeah.
say,
Yeah.
But some people mix bad stuff.
oh,
If you make the real thing, it shouldn't die. But people, they want to make money. So they add other stuff.
But I even think like in the deep villages, like it's
in
Oh, yeah,
Kenya
people
they
buy.
have changa.
It's Changa. I think it's
Changa.
Changa. I think it's Uganda
As we
Walaj.
call we have gongo.
Gongo will make you gongo.
Yeah. This plant is the vine like vanilla and passion. This is the plant. They need a horse trees to grow up. And now the pods of it you can see in small size.
Oh, yeah, wow.
But let's go that side to see the little bit big. Come this side to see the little bit bigger with the beginning. more than that size. You see it.
Okay.
What it look like when they dry, they turn black.
Those hair.
They turn black.
Okay.
And green, black, red, and white. All what we get from these plants. Have a smell the leaves and tell me what smell like.
Okay.
Really easy.
Don't tell us, don't.
I make a test. Classroom. Classroom test.
Like citrus, like lime.
No, hold on, wait.
Try again. It's
But no, basil, like parsley, like.
no.
To me, like citrus, like a lemon.
It's too small. It's becoming black
I don't know.
Ah.
and hot.
Pepper.
Sesame seeds.
In 5.
What is it?
Like black pepper.
Black pepper.
Oh my
Black
God.
pepper. Now,
Do you use the leaves too?
sometime in the drinks to make it flavoring. When we want to make in tea masala combination of
all the-
other things,
Uh-huh.
we even eat with.
See,
we mix.
I'm tasting like the tea different
It's
places.
amazing. You have a
masala,
good
but
taste.
I'm tasting everywhere.
You see the peppercorns. You see the small peppercorns is beginning on
So
the
that
small
is
bunch.
so how big does it? Is that the biggest it gets?
No, they grow more than that size. It's becoming grow big size like it. Oh yes, this is the white, the normal pepper. You see
yeah,
it?
Yeah, I've
This
seen
is
that.
the
Sometimes
normal
I've
one.
seen them.
Yeah, but they grow big size like this. And then we're going to have the black, red, white, and green.
So can they come on one tree or they are different trees?
One tree.
Hey, they
Yes,
come different.
yes.
So how do you know?
We're supposed to harvest pepper when it's green big size like this on the bunch.
It will show.
Yes. We pick the fresh green. If you dry by electricity machines, you getting or you making green pepper. When you dry it on sun, they turn black pepper.
Wow.
And red pepper, you leave it the green until looking ripe. Red one, you pick the red and dry by electricity machines. You keep it in red color. But even the red you dry to the sun, they turn black again. And the white pepper, you must leave it the green until looking ripe. Red one itself on the plant. Pick it. Leave it in a bucket of water for 3 days, 5 days. The skin of it becoming more soft. Take off from water. Take off from water. Peel the skin off, wash and dry. You making like this white pepper. Lete kisu tu katikati wapate kunusa hii.
That's amazing.
So all of color we get from same plant. Time and way to get in color upset to you.
That's amazing. How do people know these things? Hey.
Have a smell it. Hold your head.
My son is better than me. But that's amazing to get.
And when
three
you
kinds.
chew it a little bit, it's giving you taste.
This one you don't need a lot.
We're using in pilau, in cake, in curry, beef, soup, chai,
Everywhere.
chai, everything.
That's amazing. One plant, you can get all colors.
Yes.
Look.
And we say pepper is the vine or the creeping. They need a host trees to grow up. He making Thai.
And that's how they make those mud.
Thai.
Thai. Oh. Yes. But I'm not supporting that, guys. You know why? He's supporting Simba Sports Club. I support the young African. Oh, sorry. You know chili? How they grow? Chili pepper.
They don't know.
Come back and watching it.
You are running now.
Can you see the small one? It's beginning. It's starting to be ripe. They turn red when it's the ripe one. And the green, like this, the green one is unripe, but a little bit the same taste. This is we call the cayenne pepper or chili pepper. The really hottest. In Swahili, it we call the pilipili kichaa. Kichaa means crazy chili. Why they call it crazy chili? When you chew or you eat, it burns in your mouth. You open your mouth, you don't close, and you shake your head. You let it open and you shake your head, looking like crazy. So why they call it pilipili kichaa?
I wish I can remember that word. Pili. There's cassava too.
Yeah, that one is a cassava. Muhogo.
Muhogo. Yeah. You call it
Hey,
muhogo?
Hey, hey.
Muhogo.
All right.
Look at this.
Oh.
Which one?
Oh.
Don't like.
Elisa.
Oh, I'm scared of that.
It's blue.
They're all kinds of colors.
Muogo.
From muhogo,
I say muogo in Japan.
we use it for the whole plant. I think same to you.
It's on big.
From the top leaves, we making spinach. We cook with a coconut milk and types of cooking oil, including spices or coconut milk or coconut oil. When we cook, after being tender, it's becoming soft taste and flavor. We using it for eating with a ugali. That means a steep porridge or polenta. Rice, cooking cassava root, potato, banana, and so on. We're making spinach or vegetable. From the roots, we're making gongo, a local wine. we using it for making ugali from the flour of cassava. And we're making chips from the fresh cassava. And we're making other things from the hollow plants. This is the young one. That is it's going to oil down.
So you guys also export cassava or?
We do.
You have a lot of cassava.
Yes, we have a lot of cassava. That is the passion fruit.
Yeah.
You see the green up there?
Where? Can we grab this one?
The passion up there.
Here's
The
close.
green one. And the passion plants is a vine too, like pepper.
Yeah,
like pepper.
I want that one.
Yes. That is the passion
we ate
plants.
it at.
They turn yellow, orange when they're ripe, then fold. We correct and we eat raw, make juice, and we export.
Those are the kind of plants that you don't want to pick. They will fall by
They
themselves.
fold. Sometimes when you find on tree ripe, you pick it. You climb on tree, you pick, or you find the wrong stick,
You pull it out.
Yeah.
But they are better to wait on that tree.
Yeah.
Look
The
at this
mango. Still the beginning flower.
So you get a lot of mangoes?
Yes.
Still gives a lot. How old is this one?
More than 100.
Oh, it's right there.
Yes, he's so blind.
More than 100 years old. So they must
Before the version of Zanzibar. Oh, I want to shoot a little bit bigger pepper.
I have no idea that this pepper could be pepper.
Nataka nionyeshe tu. You see the little bit big.
Oh yeah, it's
You can
growing
see
big.
how they start to grow.
Yeah, it's growing big. So these ones you have to pick or they fall down?
No, we pick.
These ones you have to
Yeah, we crumb and pick it. You see the fresh one?
Yeah.
Pepper.
Yes. You can smell.
So the whole tree can be in season. The whole tree can be full.
Yes. Yes. And for one plant, maybe you can find 2-3 kilos. Yeah. Just wait. I'm looking for. I think it's the red pepper from that side, but it's the leaves from the mango.
Oh, I think I see a red one.
I thought the
I see a red one.
yeah.
Is here like orange? So how big is your land?
I have 15.
15 acres.
Yeah, hectares. From the tallest tree, you can't watch well the flower of it from the branch, but we try to find a flower for another tree. I will show later it.
A giraffe.
That
A giraffe can't eat.
you know, yeah. That tree is we call the ilangi tree. It's the family of jasmine flower. The lady collect jasmine flower, ilang flower. They put on bed.
Jasmine tea.
Pardon?
Jasmine tea.
Jasmine rice.
Jasmine rice. And taking the fresh one, some of it, put under or on the bed, close the door and the window for making the air refreshing in the bedroom. And out of it, they making a cosmetic. In French, they have a lot of plants in Mayotte. They collect the flower, even in Comoro, Madagascar, and Mauritius. The French and they come and pick the more flower. They're going to making the cosmetic of Ilang
How many hours
Chanel.
from here to
Seychelles.
Seychelles?
By flight?
By boat or by
Well,
plane?
I don't know. Maybe,
What about flight?
maybe
4 hours?
3?
3 hours. I think.
I think it's near Kenya more than Tanzania.
Yes. Yeah.
It's near. It's close to Kenya.
Close to 10. 2 3 hours. I think. Want to watch this way here, and you're going to get yourself.
Oh, that's your lime one.
Are you sure?
I don't know.
Okay.
Okay. So
Another
testing.
test.
I think I
Classroom.
know. And it's a
Have a smell the leaves. Can you see the small fruit, unripe one?
Oh,
Njomba njoo kalete nini pale?
Look like lemon.
grapefruit.
It's the family of orange.
Citrus.
Oh God.
I have the pepper on my hand. It's fine.
Oh yeah. And that guy's going to pick another.
Lemon,
It's not lemon. It's not lime.
Mandarin.
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 Oh, this is mandarin.
And that
Okay, yeah.
where the
cuties.
guy is going to have the leaves is another one test. Okay,
Lemon.
next test.
Lemon.
Pardon?
Lemon.
You are correct.
Grapefruit.
Finally, I got one
Can you
thing.
see? Can you watch one of the fruits, green one? The green up top of there. The green fruits.
Yeah. I see
You watch it?
I saw it. I saw it.
That is the green fruits up there. All we using like the normal spices in cooking drinks and so on. And I want to show you